To join the Temu affiliate program, start by understanding what the program is and how it works. Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products, and its affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting these products on your website, social media, or other online platforms. First, go to the Temu website and navigate to the affiliate program page. Here, you will find information about the program, including the commission rates, cookie duration, and other important details. Read through this information carefully to understand the terms and conditions of the program. Next, click on the Join Now button to begin the application process. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and website URL. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information, as this will be used to track your affiliate account and pay your commissions. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive an email with a confirmation link. Click on this link to activate your account and log in to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find a range of tools and resources to help you promote Temu products, including banners, product links, and tracking codes. To start promoting Temu products, browse the product catalog and select the products you want to promote. You can use the product links and banners provided in the affiliate dashboard to create affiliate links and add them to your website or social media posts. When someone clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sale. To track your affiliate earnings, log in to the affiliate dashboard and navigate to the earnings page. Here, you will see a breakdown of your earnings, including the number of clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. You can also use this page to track your affiliate links and optimize your promotional strategies. Finally, make sure to follow the terms and conditions of the Temu affiliate program, including any rules or guidelines for promoting products. This will help you avoid any issues with your account and ensure that you can continue to earn commissions from the program. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided, you can successfully join the Temu affiliate program and start earning commissions from promoting Temu products.